We all have that one friend. Maybe your friend says, I'm done, never getting married again. All men are the same. All women are trifling and I don't want none of them. I would rather be alone than ever get hurt like that again. You know what? After enough pain, I understand that thought and why people say it. If you've been cheated on by two, abandoned or betrayed, your brain just puts up a wall to protect you. I get it. It says if I don't ever have to trust anybody again, no one's gonna hurt me. It sounds safe. One little problem. The same walls that keep the pain out also keeps the love out. One person, two people hurt you, maybe several people hurt you. Don't let a handful of assholes convince you that 8 billion humans are the same. They're not. It's not wisdom, it's pain, and I get it. Real wisdom sounds different. It says, I ignored the red flags, stayed too long, I set no boundaries. I chose people who were not good for me. I have things that I need to work on, me. Hear me carefully though. That doesn't mean the other person didn't hurt you. Of course they hurt you. Doesn't excuse any betrayal, of course. Doesn't mean you should ever deal with any abuse whatsoever. It means this. Every relationship has something to teach us. Something that, if you listen, will make you smarter if you're willing to learn from it. Think about it. If you've made a lot of mistakes, you're not automatically broken. You, hopefully, are wiser than you've ever been. Because now certainly you know what doesn't work. Now you know what you deserve. You know the questions, the correct questions to ask. Maybe you can see the red flags you missed before, the red flags, and that's good. Tragedy wasn't getting hurt. Tragedy is letting the person who hurt you dictates what the rest of your life looks like. That's a shame. Don't give them that kind of power after hurting you, then controlling your life. No. Take a minute, breathe, do the work on you. Get your emotional healthiness on. And then, when the right person comes along, you won't have your blinders on. Healthy attracts healthy. Wisdom. Your past should not dictate your future, period. It should never imprison it. It should help you. If you're trying to rebuild after heartbreak, somebody to walk alongside of you, type I'm in so I know that you're following along with me. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over. Relationships, money, life, health, weight loss. Hit me with the DM on here. I'd love to speak with you. Have a great day and I'll see you on the next one.